whether they fall within or without the boundaries of our republic. The eighth bowl is a tribute to the one who entered into the valley of the shadow of death, that we might see the light of day, and to honor Mother, for whom it flies on Mother's Day. The ninth bowl is a tribute to womanhood. For it has been through her faith, love, and loyalty and devotion that the character of the men and women who have made this great country have been molded. The 10th bowl is a tribute to Father, for he too has given his sons and daughters for the defense of our country since they were first born. The 11th bowl, in the eyes of a Hebrew citizen representing the lower portion of the seal of King David and King Solomon, and glorifies in their eyes the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Bowl, in the eyes of a Christian citizen, represents an emblem of eternity and glorifies in their eyes God, the Father, the Son. When the flag is completely folded, the stars are uppermost, reminding us of our national motto, "In God We Trust." After the fold is completely tucked in, it takes on the appearance of a clock tower, ever reminding us of the soldiers who served under General George Washington and the sailors and Marines who served under Captain John Paul Jones, who were followed by the comrades and shipmates in the armed forces of the United States, preserving for us the rights, privileges, and freedoms we enjoy today. There are some traditions and ways of doing things that have deep meaning. In the future, you will see flags folded, and now you will know why. Share this with those you love and all others who have what is referred to